It's a weeknight and I'm in the mood for some pasta. At naisip kong pasta yung savory ha. Hindi siya yung typical mac and cheese. Gusto ko oil-based, savory siya, very hearty, actually filling. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Kayo ba nagki-crave ng ganito? Or pag nag-crave kayo, wag na lang kasi feeling nyo ang trabaho. Well, let me ease your fears. Kasi what if I tell you that you can whip up this pasta that I'm gonna teach you in just 20 minutes or less? Game ka? Tara sa kitchen at i-whip up natin itong napaka-delicious na sausage and sun-dried tomatoes pasta. Ako nga pala si Lianatan Arsenas for Food Swings. Gawin na natin ang napakasarap na sausage and sun-dried tomatoes pasta. And you know what? We will taste the world in every bite with PUREFOODS DELI kasi yan ang gagamitin natin ngayon. Ang PUREFOODS DELI Cheese Franks na magdadala ng napakasarap na flavor to our pasta. Kaya nga, taste the world, di ba, with PUREFOODS DELI kasi sagot niya ang masarap na lasa. So, simulan na! Lagay natin ang ating extra virgin olive oil in a pan. So when it's hot enough, we'll put in our onions. Yan. Sauté natin yung ating onions until it's tender. You can use you can use the purple ones for added color and stronger flavor. Tapos, ilagay na natin ang ating PUREFOODS DELI Cheese Franks na slice. Pwede rin cube. If you want stronger notes, no? Sabi nga sa inyo taste the world in every bite with PUREFOODS DELI. They have other variants for you to try. Like, I'm very fond of the PUREFOODS DELI Hungarian cheese sausage. As in, favorite ko yan. Kasi for the heat, no? Tsaka yung cheese notes na kino-contribute niya. So you cook this for about 2 minutes until slightly browned siya. So we can already add our wine. Doesn't matter to me kung red or white ang meron kayo. But kung pwedeng mamili, I prefer using white for this recipe para there's no red color or red hue to the pasta. So we will simmer this for about 3 minutes, but i-season ko na siya ng salt. So when you put your wine, put the salt already and simmer for 3 minutes. Now I'll add in our sun-dried tomatoes. Ito naman ay store-bought lang. Now, paano kung wala na talagang sun-dried tomatoes? Pues, gumamit ka ng real tomatoes. Although magkaiba sila ng profile, but it will still give you that tomatoey note, no? But iba yung sun-dried kasi may aging siyang kasama. Very, full and bold yung flavor ng sun-dried tomatoes. So, I can already add my parsley. What you can do is chop pa or snip extra parsley pang garnish later. Same with Parmesan cheese, no? Magtitira tayong konti pang top. I'm gonna put in the Parmesan, pero magtatabi ako ng pang top. So mix mo na para mas masarap yung cheese notes. And you're ready to put in ang ating pasta noodles. Oh, by the way, talking about kanina yung parsley, when you're putting parsley, no? Pag meron kang parsley, sometimes you buy it in advance, tapos nag-wilt na siya. What you can do is put it in water, ice cold water, and let it hydrate for about an hour before using. Okay, so we're ready to put in our pasta. Pag pasta naman, you can use then substitute penne if you don't like itong ribbon pasta. You can also use yung regular spaghetti noodles. So actually, madali lang naman magluto ng pasta noodles. You boil a big pot of water. Once it's rolling boil, put in your pasta. No need to put in your oil or salt. Just put in your pasta and then stir it continuously until mag-boil muli. Yan. And then, doon ka mag-set ng time mo. Ito, mga 10 minutes yung cooking time niya para al dente pa din. Yan. Look at this pasta. It's so nice. Natatakam na ako. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the heat. At ilagay na natin siya sa plate. So one way to do nice plating is to use something like this, a pastel colored bowl. So doon natin ilagay. Itong sun-dried tomatoes, by the way, no, pag since store-bought siya, once inopen nyo na, you have to keep it covered in its oil, no, in the refrigerator for about 3 months. Diba? So cute. Even yung mga bata, gaganahan kumain. Kasi parang, diba, may arte-arte yung pasta niya. Tapos, ang chunky nung sausage. Sarap. Kasi bakit mo pa ipagpapaliban ng pang-weekend yung paggawa ng ganitong pasta dish when you can have it actually anytime? And all you need is PUREFOODS DELI. Ang dami magagawa sa DELI, and this is just one good example. Okay, so part of the pasta I put in this nice plate. You can put it in a bigger plate. Kung anong meron kayo medyo may konting decor. Tapos, pwede kayo mag-top pa, mag-extra garnish ng parsley. Diba? Nasa bubuhay yung pasta niyan. Ganda tignan. And of course, sasarap pa yan pag nilagyan pa natin ng extra Parmesan. Diba? Tada! This is the sausage and sun-dried tomatoes pasta. Isang napaka-delicious na pasta dish na kayang-kaya mong gawin gabi-gabi. Oo, gabi-gabi kasi ganun siya kadaling gawin. Plus, sabi ko nga sa'yo, you get to taste the world in every bite because we're using PUREFOODS DELI. Ayan ha, no reason for you not to cook this easy recipe. Susubukan mo na, maya-maya na, game na. So I'll see you again. This is Liana Tan Arsenas for Food Swings.
For more recipes, visit www.homefoodie.com. You can also like our Facebook, that's Home Foodie, and follow us on Instagram at HomeFoodiePH. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified for new uploads.
Dahil dito sa Home Foodie, walang imposible. Lahat kayang gawing madelicious.